Hopefully that angle isn't too weird for you guys. So just run through the basics real quick. We have ignition coils need to be unplugged and then taken out. These just pinch and pull off. Pinch and pull off, pull off. There we go. And these are 8mm. Like Reese's Pieces, like Reese's peanut butter cups on the top of this. That don't make sense. I think these are original. So that one fell apart. I don't know if you can see, so that was the top of it. Just came apart. In the middle, electrode just falls right into hitting that grounding electrode. All right, putting the new ones back in. I'll put the plug torque specs in the description. I forget what they are at the moment. It's not very much. Everything else, I believe, is 89 inch-pounds, but again, I'll put that in the description too. So now on the ignition coil, we'll put just a little dielectric grease or silicone paste just on the tip like that. Doesn't take a lot. That'll help pull them off of the plugs later. So we can put these back on. All right, I think that's it. Ready to fire this thing up. I think that's pretty much it. This repair, anybody can do. It's pretty basic, just maintenance stuff. I know you guys got this. I don't really have anything else to bring out. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. See you on the next one.